Now, over the last several weeks, I've been testing out the Muzili G4 True Wireless Earbuds, and I have to say, I am pleasantly surprised on the battery life, the fit, the also audio quality, and the fact that these are sub $50 earbuds. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a full review of the features, what comes in the box. We'll do an EBPMAN call quality test, and why I highly recommend these because of the price and the value. Now the case itself is not super pocketable because it's relatively large, but it has USB-C in the back. It has LED indicators telling you what the battery life is or if they're charging, and you can see how that lights up really nicely. The earbuds themselves are not going to come out. They are magnetically locked in place. And when you take a look at the earbuds themselves and we take them out, you'll notice that they really don't go super deep into your ear canal. They have these ear loops that you can switch out for those fluorescent ones if you like, and they have the contact points there. So if I put these on, again, they're super comfortable because they don't really go deep in the ear at all. But at the same time, because they don't go deep in the ear, and even though they're low profile, as you can see there, and I'll turn this way and this way, super low profile, but they also let in a lot of ambient noise. So I can hear everything around me. If I snap my fingers like this or just rub them together, I can hear that. May not be bad because they don't have transparency mode. Now, with that, the audio quality, anytime you have something that is kind of semi-open ear like this, is going to be impacted. So you're not going to have a super immersive experience, but again, for the price point and the audio quality that you're going to get from these, they give you great value. Now, how's the audio signature on these? So I would say that these favor mids and highs. The bass is there, but it's not as prevalent, or I would say as dominant as I'd like it to be. It's not balanced in any way, really. So you basically have mids and highs, and the bass is present, but the mids and highs are really taking center stage. That being said, you have very clear mids and highs. And again, as you're running, you get to hear everything that's going on around you, or if you're doing any kind of athletics, if you're doing CrossFit, you'll be able to hear everything that's going on as you're wearing these. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to check the actual call quality, and we'll see how they perform. Now we're going to do a call quality test of the G4s in a quiet environment. If we take a look at our decibel readings, anywhere from 22 to 24 decibels in noise. Let's go ahead and switch. Now this is what the call quality would sound like making a phone call on the G4s in a quiet environment. So next, let's go into a noisy environment. Now next we're going to do the call quality test of the G4s in a noisy environment. And as you can see, our decibel readings anywhere from 43 all the way up to 79 decibels in noise. What we're going to do is we're going to switch, we'll stay quiet so we can see how much is being canceled, and then we'll go ahead and speak. Alright, so this is what the G4 sound like in a noisy environment. This is a test. 1, 2, 3. This is a test. Now the Muzili True Wireless Earbuds are an incredible value at under $50, given the battery life, total battery life of 36 hours, IP rating of 7, the fact that they have ear hooks and they will stay in place, and also given the audio quality. If you're interested in true wireless earbuds that either have active noise canceling or that are sport and fitness or even headphones, make sure you check out these playlists.